You ready? Let's go. Yeah.
On my way, on my way, on my way, on my way. I would like to reach out my hand, oh me say oh me tell you to run. On my way, on my way. Nobody say, nobody on.
Well, I can still see him smile over all those miles of the frozen snow and ice. He was the kind of man who always lent his hand. He was quick on good advice. Here's to Joe and it's off we go in the land of the midnight sun. They call this race the Iditarod Trail. To me it's Reddington's Run. In my heart it's Reddington's Run. From the city lights of Anchorage to the finish line in Nome, you never find a village that he couldn't call